Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me tell you a story, okay? So there was two Linux users and they both were assigned a task. The task was to monitor a website, okay? And they have to tell their client as soon as the website gets an update. Now, if the website gets a new post or a new update, let's say, so they both have to tell their client, okay? So what a newbie user did is he was just refreshing the website again and again and again and checking for the update. But what a pro user was doing, he was doing this. So as you can see here, I have a website running on my local host. So it's not a website, it's a web page. Okay. So this is running on my local host and you can see this is a web page and this is the code. So this is the code that is running this web page. So watch closely what happens if I just update this website. So this is an update. Let me just save it, and here you can see on the side you get an pop-up that the website is updated. Now how cool is that? You can literally just sit anywhere you want and you can watch anything and the website updates and it will give you a notification. Okay, let's just try another one. Another, let me save this. Yeah, it's updating, right? So it will give me a notification anytime the website gets an update. So if you just refresh, you can see this is website and it's updating, right? It's an updating and update. You just refresh. Yeah, it is giving a notification that it website is getting an update, right? So how I managed to do that? How the this notification is arriving whenever I am updating my website? Now let me tell you that this will not only work on localhost. Okay, it will work on any website that updates their HTML, right? So how I did this? So let me just show you. Okay, let me just remove this all. Okay, save this, and you can see the notification still pops. Okay, so let me just go. So how I did this? So I made a script. Okay, I used a script. Let me show you. Web UPT. Okay, so what we will do is we will just copy this link, okay, and we will use call. We will call this link and will whatever the output is coming, we will save it to a file dot old.html. Okay, so now it's saved. Okay, now what will I do is I will just I'll show you this script I just made webupt.sh, and here you can see what the script is doing. Okay, I will tell you. So first of all, it's asking for a URL, so I gave him the URL. Okay, and then it's asking for a old file. So what this tool will do is it will in the interval of 5 seconds it will go and check if the website is updated or not. Okay, so it will use the URL and see whatever in this website, it will output in a new file. Okay, and it now he will compare the old file and new file, and if the old file is not equal to new file, it will give me a notification saying that website is updated. Okay, and after that it will move all the data from the new file to old file. So this is how the thing works. Okay, this is a very basic thing, right? And let's say if the website is not getting an update, okay, so it will just remove the new file, so no use for the new file. Okay, and it will it will be uh, in every 5 seconds it will check the website so it's updating or not. Okay, and it's doing the stuff and it's under the while loop, so it will go over and over again. Okay, so this is how I made this. Okay, so let me just close, and this is a very simple script, right? So whenever I just update this website, update. Let me just run the script first. So in order to run the script, you have to just first give the permission, okay, executable permission, and then you can execute the script like this. So it will not show anything, but it is running, right? And whenever I just update this site, I will save this, and yeah, it's giving a notification that the website is updated. So how cool is that, right? We can literally monitor any website from this, and this is a very simple tool just I made, okay? So if you want the tool, you can get it on GitHub. I will give a link in the description, right? So this is a very simple thing that I did with curl, and you can do much more than this. Okay, you can literally do, I told you in the previous video, you can literally do anything in the curl. So I'm managing to make another video, so another part is coming for call, okay? So you have to stay tuned, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, right, if you learned new thing, then hit the like button. Thank you so much.